Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are Apple's new iPhone 17 TechWoven cases that replace FineWoven that we had a couple years ago. So I thought we'd take a look at them, see how they fit different iPhones today, see if they're compatible with maybe the iPhone 16 series, and see what they have to offer, and maybe the texture will be a little bit nicer than FineWoven. Some people love FineWoven. It wasn't my favorite, but let's go ahead and take a look at these. These come in at $59 with 5 different color options. You can see here we have blue, purple, sienna, green, and black. Let's go ahead and open up the smaller one here for the iPhone 16 Pro. You'll see this one says green right here. Let's go ahead and open it up, the TechWoven case, and see what we've got. These slide out similar to what we had with the leather case boxes before. And we have, of course, our paperwork in here, just regulatory information, and then the case itself. So let's set that aside. We'll take a closer look at all of them in just a moment, but let's open them all up so we can see the different colors. So next is blue. This one looks really good. I think that would complement the blue one quite well. The new blue iPhone. Then the next one, they're just calling purple. The next one is Sienna. And finally, we have black. So let's open this up. So here are all of the new TechWoven cases side by side, so you can see the different colors. And I have to say, I definitely like this material better than what I have with FineWoven. So let's take a look at maybe one that's comparable here. So you can see the material side by side and close up. So one has more of a synthetic suede feel. I actually call it maybe sort of a mouse fur type feel. TechWoven has more of a, these remind me a little bit of Pixel cases, but much tighter wound. So, or much tighter threads, it feels like. So up close, you can see those here. And maybe under a macro lens, let's take a look. TechWoven, you can see the weave here in the actual material. So you can see TechWoven on the right, FineWoven on the left, giving you an idea of how it's actually woven together. TechWoven definitely has a more durable feel to it and less of sort of a fur or synthetic suede feel to it. It feels more like a textile rather than maybe a synthetic suede. The texture of TechWoven may not be for everyone. Similar to what we had with FineWoven, it has a specific texture. So if you run your finger across it, here's what it sounds like. The same for the side. It's definitely grippy, but has a specific texture not everyone will love, but definitely feels a little bit more durable and nicer than last year's, at least in my opinion, as far as FineWoven a couple years ago. Now, let's take a look at the blue one here, and Apple actually says the case is made from a custom technical woven fabric made from 100% recycled polyester. Multiple colored yarns are woven together on a jacquard loom, creating a dimensional texture with rich depth of color. The sides of the case are coated with a lightly textured TPU for better grip, according to Apple, and the buttons are anodized aluminum, as well as sapphire on camera control here. So that's what it looks like. Inside, it should keep your phone safe. However, we don't have microfiber, it's just a TechWoven cloth. And let's take a look at how it compares with an iPhone 16 Pro. So if we click this in here, it actually fits pretty nicely. It looks a little odd on the back since it doesn't fully have the large camera plateau here. And you'll see button-wise, I can click all of the buttons. As far as the alignment on the bottom, of course, we have the new crossbody strap lanyard holes here on the side that are reinforced, and some of the speakers and microphone options are a little bit different here. And then we have the cutout, of course, for USB-C. But all of the buttons are clickable, no issues there compared to previous year cases, so I guess you could use this if you wanted to. And let's take a look at maybe the 16 Pro Max in the black case, see what it looks like here. So again, it fits, it feels flush against the back here, but you still have protection for the cameras themselves. And then again, on the side, all the buttons feel like they're clickable. You'll see the speaker cutouts, again, are a little bit misaligned with the speaker and microphone compared to the iPhone 17. And then the buttons work just fine. If we swipe home, press camera control, it goes right into camera control. So it definitely is usable on this phone. It just looks a little odd from the back, but otherwise it feels like it would work just fine. It should charge okay. Let's see. It's charging just fine through the case. It feels about the same amount of strength as the previous one, but that gives you an idea of what they look like. So very grippy as far as these go. And of course we have the option for the crossbody strap or the lanyard. So I showed that in a previous video with the silicone cases, and you'll see it attached here. We could attach it to the TechWoven cases as well. We have the same areas if you wanted to maybe protect yourself from getting it taken off of you. And you have that option with this very durable nylon strap, it feels like. So very heavy duty for the crossbody strap, and definitely feels durable there with metal components and everything else. I've placed the crossbody strap on the black TechWoven case to give you an idea of what it looks like. This feels very durable, like it will hold up really well if you want to keep your phone secure. And let's place the 16 Pro Max in the case just to show you what it looks like. And it seems like it will hold it just fine. Of course, if you didn't see the video with the other cases, the silicone cases and bumper case for the iPhone Air, you can see this is all made of metal. It slides nicely back and forth if you want to maybe adjust this, and it's held together magnetically, so it doesn't sort of become a mess. It's just held together with a sort of light magnet, but it doesn't feel like it's going to come apart. So again, if you want to adjust this, let's see if we can do that. Oh, this part adjusts. So again, you can just slide it here back and forth as needed. So it's a nice option if it's something that would be useful for you. I think this will be very popular, especially outside the United States, but let me know if you're picking up any of these cases with the crossbody strap, or you would just use the case by itself. So again, this gives you an idea of what it looks like. Let's try on the different options here. Maybe on the black iPhone, you can see what it looks like here. So that gives you an idea. Of course, I don't have the iPhone 17s yet, so we'll have those hopefully fairly soon. But again, in purple, that's what it looks like with this desert titanium, then blue again, and then one more. We'll try green. Definitely a big contrast there, but that gives you an idea of what it looks like. So hopefully that gives you an idea. If you want to pick up a TechWoven case, I definitely think it should be even more durable and stain resistant than FineWoven was. It turns out FineWoven was actually more durable than we thought and easily washable. I just personally don't care for the texture at all. But the new cases, more like a textile, more textured, and something that feels much more grippy and more durable over time. Again, we'll have to wait and see what they're like. Let me know what you think of the new TechWoven cases in the comments below. Definitely seem better, in my opinion, than FineWoven, but maybe you don't think so. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you're picking up an iPhone 17, which model and which color, I'd love to hear from you as well. If you haven't subscribed already though, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.